My thighs and my calves used to be one of my best features since I played soccer all my life. Basically, I played at the professional level, so my calves were like huge, and so were my thighs. But what I've noticed is that over the years, and like I said, especially since I hit that 50-year mark, my mass is gone. Like I've shrunk. I've shrunk in the legs and the calves, but I grew in the belly. Hey everyone, in this video I want to document a new journey I'm starting with Isagenix. This is a picture of myself and my friend Gene at the Dominican Republic this past summer. In case you are confused, the one on me is the one with the pink shorts. And following is a picture of my friend Gene that he posted not too long ago on Facebook, the way he used to look and the way he looks now. As evident from the picture that was taken at the Dominican Republic, as you guys can see, this is a real guy. So when I saw the picture of him, the photo of him, the way he looks now, I was amazed. So I had to ask, Gene, what are you doing, man? I need to know, because guess what? I'm 57. I'm overweight, although I am a soccer trainer and I participate in weekly training, still overweight. 50s are kicking my butt. Energy wise, my is not that high. Basically, my mass on my legs, testosterone, very low levels. So this video is the start of my journey after what Gene shared with me. So he's basically been doing Isagenix for 7 years now, and proof is in the pudding. When I saw the picture, like I said, I wanted to know what he's doing and I wanted to duplicate it. So consider this the first video on my journey to Isagenix. I am going to start on this journey and I'm going to keep you posted for the next 30 days and thereafter. So, hey, stick around, watch the video, subscribe, like it, share it, hit that bell so you guys can see the new notifications of me changing my body for the better as a 50-year-old man. All right, everyone. So I want to document today my Isagenix trip. So unfortunately, I got the package and I got so excited to see what's in it and open it up and get involved in it that I did not document me opening the package, what's in it, but I'll go over it. So basically, I am a 57-year-old man. I am involved with soccer and futsal. I coach at a college level soccer. I am the goalkeeping coach at one of the local universities, one of the universities. So when I train personally the goalkeepers, I am involved. I get up in the morning and I go to the boardwalk here close to my house, about 20 minutes away. I do some walking / running. So I'm a bit active. I don't eat a lot. I don't drink, occasionally. So I don't really, live a bad, lifestyle. My food choices, I like to think, for the most part, they're pretty good. I drink water. I'm on, supplements and all stuff every week, trying to find out what best works for me. But let's be honest, 57 years old, your body changes tremendously. For those of you guys my age, you know what I'm talking about. So basically, I noticed a big change, in my body when I hit 30s, even bigger in 40s. And when I hit 50, oh boy, that just went through the roof. On top of it, I'm self-employed. So my morning after I get up, I go for my little walks. I lately for the past, I don't know, maybe a month, maybe longer, I don't know. I've been doing that intermediate fasting. So basically I try not to eat after 8 or 9 o'clock at night. And then I get up in the morning. I don't have any breakfast. I have this super food nature, drink. I take my vitamins and my supplements. And that's it. I don't eat until about 12 to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Then I'll have another meal, hopefully by 6 o'clock or, around 8-ish, or try not to do before 9 o'clock. And that's it. And then I don't eat, in between. So I've been doing that for, like I said, about a month or so, maybe a little bit longer. I have lost about 14 pounds, but it's just a struggle, So anyway, I spoke to someone, and basically what they said, the reason why I spoke to that someone is because they posted a picture of themselves, and I was like shocked. I mean, I met him a couple months ago. I mean, I knew him online, but we finally met a couple months ago. So I just thought he was the way he was, right? Until he posted a picture of how he was a while ago. I was like, wow, dude, what are you doing? I want to know what's going on. What's your diet like, right? So basically he told me that he's doing this lifestyle wellness called Isagenix. Let me show you guys. Yeah, damn it. I got so much stuff, guys, here. Isagenix. So I said, you know what? I wanna try it. So basically, I'm not going to get into a lot of details, but there's different packages you can try. Oh, here's the name in the box. Isagenix. So you can get a bunch of packages, right, with different products. They have all kinds of products. Here are the products. I just opened it up. Sorry, guys. I wanted to do an unboxing, but I got so excited, I just, slipped my mind. So I said, you know what? I want to try the top package, so I can make an evaluation what works for me, and then after that next month I'll just do what I think works best for me. So I'm gonna have a get together with him, because there's a lot of stuff, by the way. There's a lot of stuff. I'm not going to get overwhelmed. So he's been doing it for a while. So he's going to get on a phone with me today and basically tell me what's the best way to start. I'm not going to tell you guys much about it. This is just the first video. I'm going to take some pictures of myself at 2:47, 2:46 today. So this is my first day. From what I'm being told, I'm going to do some shakes. There is a package with some vitamins. Isagenix Complete Essentials for men. Isagenix is one pill, uniquely designed to target the sources of aging at a cellular level. Essential for men, delivers vital nutrition and to support overall health. Cytoactives formulated with highly absorbed CoQ10, reservoir vitamin D3, whatever, isomega, a bunch of shit. Excuse my language. So I'm going to do today, because I can't wait. I want to get on it right away. So I'm going to do a shake. He told me to start my day with a shake. Actually, from what I'm reading, by the way, you got a mixer. See a little mixer to do your shakes. It came with a mixer. It came with a bunch of literature stuff to read over. It came with a little measuring tape to measure your body areas to see how you progress. It actually has an app. I downloaded an app to keep my progress. You can say this is all hype like everybody else. You're absolutely correct. I understand. Here's the blender, by the way. Yeah, so yeah, there's a lot of hype, but as far as I'm concerned, I don't care what hype it is as long as it works. So here's what I'm looking to do myself. I'm looking to lose weight without having to constantly struggle. Okay, I'm looking to get better health. I have lost my thighs. Used to be my thighs and my calves. I don't know if you guys can see it. My thighs and my calves used to be one of my best features since I played soccer. All my life, basically, I played at the professional level, so my calves were like huge, and so were my thighs. But what I've noticed is that over the years, and like I said, especially since I hit that 50-year mark, my mass is gone. Like, I've shrunk. I've shrunk in the legs and the calves, but I grew in the belly. When I lost in my legs and my calves, I grew my belly. So, you know, most men can relate to that, right? So anyway, like I said, I am looking to get healthier. Supposedly, all these supplements and all these goodies, I mean, there is like, you know, bars to have a snack. There is all these things, dude. I mean, you know, there's just so many things. Supports balance, digestive, regulatory, supports metabolism. There's a cleansing system, and from what I've been told, it's not for you to go to the bathroom. You know, it just cleanses your system. The way it was described to me, basically, your body stores fat not only outside but inside, your around your organs. So it helps you eliminate all that fat inside. Hype, right? All hype. Yeah, absolutely correct. Everybody hypes up, but I did some research. These guys actually are involved with some professional soccer teams overseas, so kind of adds some good credibility on them since I'm a soccer player. So I'm going to give it a shot. And I'm going to document my progress, and then I'll let you know what happens in a month, you know, and furthermore. But I can tell you, I'm going off my buddy's recommendation because I saw with my eyes. I met the guy. You know, like I said, we know each other for a while now, but we started knowing each other online through business. And then, you know, we follow each other, what have you. And then we actually, of all places, we ran into one another in the Dominican Republic over the summer. Two Jersey guys got together. We started talking, right? So, you know, I saw the way he is and thought nothing of it until he posted a picture of himself. How he was a while ago. Then he posted a picture of his wife. I was like, wow, you guys look fantastic. So I want to give it a shot. I want to get my wife involved in this. And we'll take it from there. So stick around, follow the journey, and you know, look for the pictures. I'm going to take a couple pictures now, and then a couple pictures during the, you know, during me using the products, and then hopefully after a month, and so on and so forth. And I'll let you know what happens. You know, you'll follow through a video my progress. It can be a good one, it can be a steady one, it can be no. I don't think it's. I mean, listen, if I thought I wasn't going to have any end results, I wouldn't buy all this stuff. Because, like I said, I buy supplements. You know, every month I'm trying something new until, you know, I find something that works. Lately, I have, you know, been using the. I've been using these Balance of Nature, the vegetables, fruits and vegetables. And I've been using the Golo system for not getting bloated for a while now. The Golo system kind of works, but it's not enough. You know what I mean? It's taking me a while just to get, you know, 14 pounds off. And if I have a bad week or whatever, you know, it goes right up. So I'm being told that with this stuff, it's a lifestyle. So, you know, if it works for you, great. You stick on it, you get on it. And then you know, you have days or weeks, you know, this gentleman goes on vacation. He says he doesn't take anything with him. He goes on vacation. He does what he needs to do. Then comes back and takes care of business. Again, from what he says, a shake in the morning, his vitamins, you know, more or less. And, you know, everybody adjusts to their system. Okay? So, long video. Stick around. Watch follow the journey. And I'll talk to you guys. Be good.